So why I thought that was real? The deer. Right there in their yard. Okay, this is dope. It's very nice. I don't particularly like corner houses, but I like this one.
Just take a picture.
Oh, my bad. Did you see the back? There ain't no backyard at all. Yeah, this is like no backyard at all. But I guess when you got this much space, you really...
Is that a slave boy?
Probably don't need one. Yeah, my auntie had one of those in her front yard. After you, boo. Go ahead. In case there's a goblin or something in there. Oh wow, this is nice. Okay. Wow, this is nice. It would be like they would get the windows a little better. I like these floors.
Look at this office. Oh, and then here goes the little patio door. Okay, fancy.
Yeah, that's dope.
I love this. Another one right here. Okay.
Nice. It's a decent looking fan there.
Okay. So many doors, so little time. Like, little bathroom. Okay. All right, second floor me.
Hold on, let me see this little bathroom.
It's 3 floors, man.
Yeah, I know. Most of these houses got 3 floors in Boston Edison area. This is a nice bathroom. Oh yeah, it's dope. I like that. Like that. This is dope. I likes. This is real fly. I'm gonna start doing this in the house. I don't know. Matter of fact, tell Jerry to do that in the bathroom. It's a nice little small little bedroom. Oh shoot, what the bruh. Nigga. That ain't that's crazy. I thought it was a closet. What if I'd have just walked through that bad boy? Where am I going? Did I go in here? Yeah, I did. It's like a maze. Okay, I think I went in here. Did I go down here? I did not. Okay. This is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. This real, man, this is real fly. like the whole house. So I like the whole house.
I know.
It's a maze.
A good thing.
Mm-hmm. Recessed lights everywhere. What's over here? Okay, so this is. I think I came through this side. This is bright as hell. Bright light, bright light. Okay, it's a little small laundry room. I like it though. I like it a lot. Oh man, I almost fell back. I didn't see that. Kind of been a doozy. It's a nice. All the rooms are nice size. I just don't like how they did the windows though. Like that's crazy. I wonder why they do that. Well, they must gonna come back later and scrape the paint off. Possibly. It's possible. I doubt it. So this must be the main bedroom. This bathroom looked the biggest. Yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. Yeah, they did that thing. Man, that's a big shower. Jesus. It's not bad for $1 million. Oh no, I don't even think it's $1 million. How much is this house? This is $650. That's not bad. For $650? Oh man, you can beat that. This is a steal at $650. Did I go in here? I can't remember. Oh, this is the closet. Oh, yeah, this is a nice size closet. They just didn't put no racks in here. They shoulda. Some people will know. Some people slow. They ain't got no closet. This is dope. I'm going to the 3rd floor. Only thing I would do, because I got kids, man. I would want this probably like higher, but that's something you can do later. What you say? Yeah, go ahead. Right up the offer. Did I come in here? I can't remember. Yeah, I came in here. I'm bugging. What you say? Yeah, I know. $650, not bad. At all. Go up here. Oh yeah, they did their thing. I don't know what happened there though. I ain't gonna nitpick. Well, the wall ain't even, I can see, but this is straight. It's a nice little play area for the kids. Everything I say is for the kids, so don't mind me. It can be whatever you want it to be. It could be a area, a man cave, I guess, too. This is a nice space. Very nice. I like how they did this. Floors are fly. Every bathroom is nice. With the black. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I'm going to check out the basement. You been in the basement? Let me see if anything in here. Oh, nope. I love it up here. This is very nice. This is a steal. 150 to 650 for sure. Shoot, that one house we went and looked at. In what's that? Midtown. That mug was 1.4 million, and this is just the same size as this one. Where are the lights at?
I turned them on in the other direction. I don't got
Dope. Got a little walkout though. Nice window. That's a tall basement too. This would be nice finished. Very nice. I would have definitely finished this. I mean, I guess they technically did. I would have finished it better, I guess you could say. This is dope. Very tall ceiling, man. like it, I like it. I would think they would need another hot water tank though, but nothing. Can't do on your own. But this is a very dope house. I like it, especially for $650.
I think I need to make an offer.
I done seen houses way less nice. How do I say that? Houses not as nice for more. I said it. I got it out. All right, let's go.
Okay, I got my paper.
I see they didn't change it. Okay.
You gotta push the button.
How fancy. Interesting. I like that. All right, let's go.